In this video, I'll show you how you can add your Spotify store link on TikTok, so it's a clickable link. Anybody can do this, and I'll show you how to do it. So what you need to do, you first need to go to your TikTok profile, and by going to the me icon in the bottom right hand corner. Once you're there, go to the top right hand corner, click on the three dots here, and then you want to go to manage account. Once you're on manage account, you want to then switch to a pro account, so go ahead and click on that, and it should give you two options here. You want to choose a business account here, so once it loads here, you want to make sure you choose business. Once you've done that, you can then choose a category for your business, click next here, and then you can just skip this bit here. Now what you can do is you can go and add a website. So right now I've got Discord, but I'm just going to change that, so I'm going to click edit profile. I can then go to website, and then I can then just go and add a clickable link to my Shopify store. So just like that, I can type in the link, and we can add a clickable link here to TikTok. So that's how you do it, and that's all you've got to do.